gonna walk around a house that was built in the 1800s. Oh my gosh, anybody into head? There you go. And you've got wood, what do you call them?
I guess we're gonna call them spikes or fasteners. And those are nails essentially.
These are vampire killers.
Right.
Some of you guys in Arizona, California, Nevada, you guys think you have a hard time flipping houses?
Easy.
You have it easy.
So easy.
We've got CJ, the electrician, and we've got, I believe we're gonna have a plumber here today.
We have our boy Jeremy.
Oh, Jeremy's here. Okay, Jeremy is here. And we're gonna walk through and we're gonna talk about the problems that they deal with on homes that are built in the 1800s. So you sissies out there in Arizona can stop complaining. This is Justin Tuminowski, one of my good friends up here in New Hampshire. You guys think that New Hampshire is just on postcards? It's not. It's a real state with real people. It's not just some imaginary thing you see on the internet, okay? So you had to build this entire stair structure just to get into the old window.
This was a window, yeah. So we ended up abandoning the staircase inside, making more rentable square footage.
This is way more of a construction job than you would even think, right? Okay,
so,
cool.
This was a window, that was the staircase right here. We infilled it.
Okay.
Sorry, this poor lighting, but this was a staircase that came up. You came up to this, and this was a tight bowling, I call it a bowling alley. It was super tight. And you had a living room. You can see the old jogs here. Watch out for the floors, guys. And it was a kitchen with no window, a kitchenette, little galley. And then it was just a bedroom. You can see the old footprint of the bedroom here. So I said, let's blow this roof out. We did a 25-foot dormer. Now we got a small kid's bedroom, a full bath with a tub, and a galley kitchen. By
the way, guys, look at this. Look at the view here. Like,
yeah, it is pretty nice.
It's hard to even describe to you that this is even a real place. Okay, so you're wanting this upstairs unit to be an Airbnb.
No, I think I've been contemplating, but I think this is going to be a rental.
Okay.
Long term.
What are you renting for?
I think we're going to be in the $1,800 a month ballpark.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 units, over $5 grand gross. Not including my commercial space.
It's interesting, like how uneven your guys' floorings are in these older buildings, and y'all don't even care.
You could fill it all you want.
It's not worth it.
We'll put subflooring down to tie it all in.
Yeah.
And we'll mess with it. But I mean, you can see the old plank. This is original planking, and then you can just see everything's been pasted and cut.
Yeah, it's great. These older houses are like this.
Post and beam. So all the wood nails, there's one here.
This wood nail is what was holding up the entire house,
so there's
basically.
a beam right here. It would tie that beam
They
in.
notch it in.
And they reduce Roman numerals because everyone was custom cut. So they'd mark this one X1, and they would all line them up.
All right, cool. Take us to the next one. This is great.
So this was the entryway for everybody.
Okay, so even getting upstairs, you used to go in here, go up those stairs, went up through that hole that you guys covered up.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
So you came in here, you had laundry. This was a common laundry for everybody.
Okay.
And you had that door went into the right-hand unit. The door here went into this unit, and you went in here, and you went in the staircase. So you came in, you go upstairs, and you went up this way.
So is this going to be a bedroom or like a little office, or what are you thinking?
Exactly. So I think what I wanted to take now, this is one independent unit. I got all that square footage. I took this square footage, added a bedroom. So now it's a 1 bedroom, now a 2. Probably gave about $500 a month extra. Every bed we added, so we added 2 extra bedrooms in this house. And then, so now it's 1 tenant, 1 unit. So we kept the kitchen somewhat similar. We redesigned it, we expanded it a little bit bigger. But again, we're claustrophobic, we're in a small space, these old houses. We're gonna put a cooktop here, or a glass top range. So the TV will be here.
Cool.
And I didn't wanna bring another wall. We brought the knee wall here, keep it a little more appealing to the eyes, not so tight. So this had a shower in it. There was a shower over here. We relocated, made space for a full bath.
This is what you're talking about with heating with baseboards.
There's this on the cover on it.
What the freak, man?
They still do that in Canada.
Really?
Yep. Baseboard heating.
Well, cool.
It's all water.
So this is kitchen, living room, bedroom, and then back here you've got the primary. Okay, so this is a 2-1. Got it. Okay, got it.
That's a 2-1, 2-1, 2-1.
So you have to come in here and you have to replace all the baseboards with heating.
All the stuff that's messed up, you know, we'll replace it, put new covers on, but he does all new high efficient systems.
What an interesting thing. Like nobody in Arizona is doing it. Nobody in Arizona would even know how to do this. You take a mechanical guy from Arizona and you bring him here, he'd be like, dude, I got to start all over. The best mechanical guy in Arizona would have to come and be your apprentice for 3 years.
Do it.
Show me this bad boy.
Cool.
Okay, so if I wanted to rent from Justin Tuminowski, I'm spending $1,700 for the upstairs unit. How much for the downstairs unit?
This one actually is cheaper.
This one?
Yeah, it's cheaper. So,
This is so interesting. This is the heat.
This is the bedroom?
yes, it is. Yeah. So that's why I'm only gonna go. It's the 1600.
Okay.
It's actually I already have at
This would
least.
be a fantastic kids room though. Like you can put a little
Oh, yeah.
bed in here, a little
Oh,
twin in here.
Honestly, there's an old man coming in here.
Yeah.
And he's like the happiest guy in the world.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. He's like, I want my little bed in here, and like that's it.
Yeah.
Holy crap, this is big, dude.
And then we did. So this was the old entry point. So I like to reclaim wood. So this came across the street. This is 1800s tongue and groove. I mean, you can see all the gnarly lead paint.
Yeah, I
on it.
like it.
Seal it so you can't flake it and pick it and eat
Yeah.
it. So we gave everyone laundry.
Oh, this is
So
great.
no more common laundry. And unfortunately, we had to do it exposed. We didn't cut the walls open. And just a cute bathroom. Just make it almost waterproof, tenant proof.
This is a big ass room, dude. This is awesome.
And then just one more bedroom.
So guys, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wrap up this video and we're gonna do a part 2 of this. And the part 2 is gonna be Justin telling you guys how he found the deal and the numbers of the deal. Justin, how can somebody reach out to you, maybe get help from you, give you private money?
All right. Any sub-2 students, non-sub-2 students, hit me up. Instagram probably the best place.
We'll put your Instagram right here, but say it out loud.
Real Estate Justin, throw a period in between all the words.
Okay, Real Estate Justin, we'll put it up on the screen so people can reach out. And are you looking for private money lenders?
100%.
Are you looking for deals?
100%.
Are there specific areas that you'll do deals, or will you also help people wholesale deals or JV
We
deals?
help everybody. My boy Ted Miller right here as well.
We do deals all over.
Yeah.
We just figure it out. We squad up with different sub-2 students in a market if we're not familiar with it.
Okay, love it. Guys, we'll put your info right here so everybody sees it. We'll see you guys in the next video.